Hello everyone, welcome back. So for this video I'm going to show you how I do some of the easiest box braid hairstyle. This is what I do whenever my hair is a bit more, it's been a few weeks, so let's get started. So the first one I'm going to show you is basically like a half up, half down. For this hairstyle, since I don't have a lot of braids on my hair, I try to like put up as little as possible basically, and leave as much as I can for the half down part. So what you want to do is basically like start at the top. I like this one to be like really at the top of your head, and what I do is just I start twisting. I don't do like a ponytail and then twist it. I really just start with the twisting part right away, and I just roll and roll until there's no more hair available. It kind of stands by itself, but obviously you want to put an elastic just to secure it. I personally don't mind if the elastic shows. It's up to you how you want to do it, but yeah, obviously like trying to find a black one so it doesn't show too much, and just tuck in the little bits that are standing out, and you're basically done. This is one of my favorite ones, honestly. It just looks so put together, and I just love this hairstyle for my hair. So for the second one, what we're gonna do is like basically the same thing, but we're gonna do two at the top of our head, so it's like space buns. So we still half up, half down. So I just separate whatever I had up before and separate it in two. Like I said before, I don't have a lot of like braids, so I try to like put as many braids as I can down, and take as little as possible for the hair up. So same technique, I'm just gonna do it like on the side of my head basically. So I just start twisting. Like I said, you can always do like a ponytail and then twist, but I just twist right away because it's just easier, and also I find it tugs like less, and it's just less work also. So I'm just doing the same thing on the other side of my head. So like I said, I just twist and twist and twist, and eventually it just like form a bun on top of my head. I like this one honestly, but I find it's a bit more it makes me look younger than I actually am, so I don't mind. It's just I don't really do this one that often, but I actually really like this one also. And this is what it looks like all done. So for the third hairstyle, I'm just gonna do like a really high bun with all of the hair. Like I said before, usually I don't do like hairstyles when my hair is like, this is I think a week old hair, maybe a week and a half, like 10 days old braids. Yeah, honestly, like for me this is too fresh. Like the hair is still like really tight and really tugging, so usually I don't put my hair up when my hair is that fresh. But I just wanted to show you guys, like once it's been like maybe 3 or 4 weeks, what I do with my braids to make it like look put together, and also like really easy hairstyles. So like you saw, like I just put all of my hair up. I don't use an elastic, but like I said before, you can always do a ponytail and then twist it. I just start with the twisting part right away. It's a bit harder when you have all of your hair like trying to do a bun, but if you take your time, like it's pretty easy. Like I said before, I just use one elastic, and as long as it stays, I'm good. Like this is secure for me, like it won't move. I can sleep like this and it won't move. I always try to like tuck the like little bits that come out like in the bun, so that you don't see it. And also sometimes what I like to do is add a scarf. This scarf is like from a purse that I bought like years ago. I use it to put it around my head just to add like a little something to the hairstyle. You can really like change the hairstyle once like you put some accessories and stuff like that. So that's what I like to do. And this is like basically a high bun. For the fourth hairstyle is basically just like a braid. I do the braid a lot actually. When my braids are fresh, also like I do this one because sometimes like having your hair just like when you walk around, you don't want the hair all over and just like drips into your front or your face. So I like to do the braid like a lot. I just start at the back, and then I put it to the front like this, and I braid as much as I can all the way down. and then I put an elastic at the end to secure it. And for this, if you want to have the elastic, you can always put like a bit of a scarf or something to embellish the look, and like wrap it around the elastic so you don't see it. I mean, my elastic is black, but yeah, like a scarf would always make it more put together. And this is what it looks like, basically all done. The fifth hairstyle I want to show you is like really simple. I guess probably just do it all the time, but I still wanted to show you. Sometimes we forget about hairstyles that are so simple. Basically what I do is put my hair half up, half down again, but I don't put it at the top of my head. I put it like basically like horizontal to my eyes, just like so. So I'm just gonna secure it with an elastic this time. I'm not twisting or anything. Yeah, it's just half up, half down, but like really simple and really like demure and everything. So this is what it should look like once it's done, like this. And of course I'm gonna use a scarf just to embellish the look a little bit more, to make it more put together and everything. Like I said before, like accessorize your hairstyles. Like the simplest look like can look like so much different once you put some accessories in your hair. Actually making me look like really young like this, but I really like this hairstyle. So for the last one I'm going to show you today is basically just like a really simple ponytail. So basically I'm just going to start the same way I started the last hairstyle, but I'm going to put all of the braids in the elastic. So just make sure that everything, there's no bumps in your hair, and then you just want to take your elastic and secure all of the hair in it. Yeah, that's why I say like I don't do these hairstyles once my hair is like fresh, because they can really tug into your hair. But anyways, this is how it looks like once the hairstyle is done. And obviously you can always put the same scarf, or if you have different scarf for every day, for different days, like do that also. I'm just showing you the same scarf, so you just want to secure it around the elastic so it hides it a little bit and also embellish the look. This is all the hairstyle, the really easy hairstyle I want to show you for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I always love hearing from you guys, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.